So the problem with this website is simply how to sign out from this website. You would think that there would be a simple sign out button that you could press, but you actually have to search for it. When I first started using this app, I thought it would be here on the bottom right away, but it was not. So I tried here in the class settings. I didn't see it. I kept scrolling down. Wasn't able to find it there either. Scrolling down on the bottom of the student journals, wasn't there either. Until I figured out that you have to click on this little wheel, and here is a sign out button right there. So that's one problem I encountered. Another problem I encountered was having to scroll down all the way to the bottom in order to get to the last person's journal. That took a lot of time, especially if I was going back and forth trying to print student work. And another problem I saw was just organizing all the activities. It just shows the most recent activity that you post. But if you want to go back to an activity you did a long time ago, you just constantly have to scroll to the bottom. Whereas it doesn't have the calendar app as it did before, as in here on the journal where you could click the calendar button and it shows you how many items were published. So I wish they had that for the activities app as well. Those are a few of the problems that I encountered as a teacher.